Chucho, welcome back to Detroit, and please give us your thoughts on the Detroit-Havana connection.
In my opinion, it's one of the most important festivals in the world of jazz.
He tenido la suerte, ya dije, de tocar varias veces antes.
I've been lucky enough to play before, but this time,
En Residency.
as an artist in residence, it's really a huge honor for me.
Voy a poder presentar,
I will be able to present a lot of projects that I've been working on.
sobre todo el primero.
First of all, the one called The Creation. It's a suite in 3 parts. And it describes the influences of the African music in the Caribbean, in the United States, in Africa, and everything else.
Ese es el primer proyecto que voy a...
The second one is Duet,
Con Diane,
with Diane Reeves, one of my favorite singers,
y Joe Lobano.
Joe Lubano,
El tercero va a ser con...
and the third one is going to be with the Super Quartets. It's my understanding that it's an excellent relation between the festival between Havana and Detroit.
Tell me what it means to be communicating through music internationally.
La música...
Music is the universal language.
Y los músicos...
And all musicians that in this moment we are talking about jazz, we are a big family.
Festival es un lugar...
The festival is the place to meet.
Es como...
It's like our home in this moment.
Y cambiamos
And we exchange knowledge and we play together.
para mí
It's a wonderful thing for me.
Tell us about the relationship of the piano in Cuban music to other instruments, especially the drum.
el piano es un...
Piano is a harmonic instrument, but at the same time very rhythm.
La batería es un
The
instrumento.
drum is an instrument of rhythm.
Entonces, cuando el piano toca junto con la batería,
When they both play together, the piano just feels resting because the drum is helping the piano.
You had a great group with drummers and other instruments, including Paquito de Rivera
Wow.
with Iraquere. Tell us a little bit about the difference that Iraquere made for the world.
Iraquere cambió.
Iraquere changed everything, all the structures.
Pienso que fue la sesión de brass
I think it was the brass section most important, and the one that plays more influences in all the history of Cuba.
Paquito de Rivera, Arturo Sandoval, Jorge Barona y Carlos Averoff. Esa es la sesión más increíble
That's the section more incredible that has just go through the Cuban music.
y los músicos más respetados que
And the
hoy
most respected musician that even today,
añadimos
we add a lot of elements of the jazz to the Afro-Cuban music.
y también incluimos muchos instrumentos de percusión africana.
And we also introduced so many African percussion instruments that were not used before in the Cuban dance music.
Yeah. La bata.
La bata.
La bata.
Ella sabe.
Yeah. Beautiful.
You know.
drum. Yeah, I do. I do. Jazz Bata Dos. Beautiful recording. And Mirror, Mirror. You have won Grammy Awards for both of these. And I hope people will re-listen to them. What should we listen for in Jazz Bata Dos and Mirror, Mirror with Chick Corea and Ileana Elias?
Primero en Yabata,
First of all, in Jabata, the language is totally different. The vocabulary is totally different to what he has made before.
y el piano yo lo...
And the piano, I used it just, apart from the harmony, as a percussion instrument that was playing with the drums.
Y entonces es un lenguaje.
And it's totally different language.
Ahora, el espejo,
Mirror, Mirror is one of the most beautiful experiences in all my life.
porque yo...
Because I adore Eliana Elias.
La música de Brasil.
Brazilian music is incredible. But she also managed just to deal with the Afro-Cuban music, all the languages.
Y Chick Corea,
And Chick Corea, who, by the way, is one of my heroes.
yo me sentí muy cómodo
I felt very comfortable in that language among us.
give us some of your other dreams and jazz hopes for the world.
Ya lo estoy trabajando.
I'm working on it.
Estoy trabajando ahora
I'm working on a vocabulary and language, Cuban, Afro-Cuban jazz,
pero con otra forma de
but with another way of expression
y con un sentido.
and with a harmonic feeling totally different to the one that we have done so far.
Yo creo que puede.
I think it could be something different to everything that we have done before.
Bueno,
Buenísimo.
muy bueno. Oh, Chucho, gracias. Thank you.